The iPad mini 5 has been the favorite of many people due to its size. But what are the differences compared to the mini 6? In this video I'll explain to you 5 of them, so let's get started. Number 1. The design. One of the most striking differences is obviously the display. The iPad mini 5 had a 7.9 inches screen, while the mini 6 now has a much larger 8.3 inches. The home button of the mini 5 has now disappeared, giving the mini 6 a much more sleeker and modern look. Number 2. The performance. This is a huge difference. The older mini 5 was using the Apple A12 Bionic chip, while the mini 6 is now equipped with the A15 Bionic chip that offers 40% increased in terms of performances. The RAM goes up from 3GB to now 4GB. This should help the mini 6 loading apps and games much faster and being able to multitask without lagging. Number 3. The speakers. The mini 5 was equipped with 2 speakers. That's great, but the problem was that they were installed both on the same side, defeating the purpose of having 2 of them. The mini 6 has now corrected this and has 1 speaker on each side of the device. This means that when you're watching a movie in landscape mode, you'll be able to hear the sound in stereo. Number 4. The cameras. The mini 6 has upgraded the quality of both the front and rear facing cameras. A nice feature that is on the 6 is center stage. The camera will automatically track your face during a video call, keeping you always in the center of the frame. On top of that, there is now a flash for the rear camera. Both of these things were not available on the mini 5. And for the number 5, the USB-C. While the mini had a lightning connector, the mini 6 has now USB-C. This is a great news since it means faster data transfer. Apple is claiming 10 times faster, and it will be compatible with many third-party accessories. Almost all Android phones and computers are equipped with one USB-C port, so making the transition for those people it's even easier. These were the most important differences between these two models, but the mini 6 has a few more changes, such as the Touch ID sensor now located on the top right button, optional 5G connectivity, better power efficiency, and many new colors available. Is the iPad mini 6 worth the upgrades for the mini 5 users? Let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe and give a like to this video. This is helping me a lot. See you in the next one.